Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make onion pakoras. For making that we need 4 to 5 onions sliced, 1 bowl gram flour, ginger garlic paste, roasted cumin powder, roasted coriander powder, turmeric powder, 2 finely chopped green chillies, salt, mint leaves, red chilli powder, coriander leaves and curry leaves. So let's start. So now we have to add all the ingredients in this onion. Ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder roasted, green chillies, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, few coriander leaves, few mint leaves and curry leaves. Now we need to add gram flour 2 tablespoons, if more is required you can add more. Now mix it well. Now you have to add 2 tablespoons more gram flour and add it such that the onions are totally covered with gram flour. Now I'm mixing it. So now I have mixed it well, and now don't forget to add salt. 1 teaspoon. So now I have added salt and mixed it well. So now you have to make small balls and deep fry it. So friends, now you have to deep fry it on a medium flame. We need to add this in small quantities and fry until it is golden brown. So friends, now you can see that the pakoras are becoming brown. So now you have to keep the flame on high because if the flame is on medium, then the pakoras will become very oily and it will absorb more oil. And if you keep it on high, then it will release oil and come out dry and crispy. So now you can see that the pakoras are brown in color and it looks crispy. So now you have to keep it on a tissue so that the tissue can absorb all the oil present in it. So friends, now I will eat these pakoras and tell you how is it. So friends, these pakoras are crispy. See friends, and it is very tasty also. So friends, if you liked our videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel, Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.